So here's a Drake RV4 that goes with the TR4 that I've had hanging around, excuse me, for a while. And Drake, in their wisdom, likes to put a resistor on a B plus line. So really, you want to give the PTO here, which is the front knob, the PTO, 10 volts. It wants 10 volts to run. And Drake always uses a huge resistor to drop the voltage down. So they had a 15K in that looked like this. It supposedly is a 5¼ watt resistor. I found it open, so I bought a 15K on Amazon and put that in there, or it's getting put in. So that will probably solve the X number of volts that go into this guy. And then there's a Xenier inside here that will clamp us down to 10 volts for this PTO. So that's the story on the Drake RV4, which I've been working on here real quick. Not much time to do much on these things these days, but again, it's an RV4. I cleaned it up and was testing it and said, gee, it doesn't work, why not? So I took it apart. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.